Good morning and happy Vlogmas. Today is Monday and I'm about to head into the office. We actually tried to get up at 5:15 this morning and go to the gym, but I woke up with the worst headache. I think it's because we worked out yesterday and I just slept weird and it was all upper body workout yesterday, so I'm just very sore. So we slept till 6:15. Donnie went to the gym. I got up. I edited a little Vlogmas, I got ready, did a little bit of work. So it's actually been a really nice Monday morning. This is what I wish we could do more often, get up early and actually have a little bit of time to do something other than just rush out the door. So I'm ready for my Monday. This evening is Donnie's work's holiday party, so I'm gonna try to wrap up at work. I think I have a meeting that goes until 3:30. Try to come home around 4:30, get ready for that, but I gotta go grab my Uber and we gotta head in the office because it's gonna be a busy Monday. So I just got out of the office and I'm headed home to change. So I'm gonna have approximately 15 minutes to get ready, but I will try to be quick. I wish I had done my makeup this morning. I thought I was gonna have plenty of time this afternoon, but my day got busy and here we are. So just gonna grab my Uber home and then race to get ready. Hello, happy Vlogmas day 14. This week has been so busy. I have hardly vlogged. It's actually Donnie and my 10-year anniversary today and we did not even celebrate. I remembered halfway through the day that it was our anniversary. So we're trying to figure out something to do this weekend to celebrate. I think we're gonna go down to Santa Cruz and then we might just stay for the rest of the holiday, or we might end up coming back early next week. I think he's supposed to go in the office, but I think our office is going to be remote next week. So yeah, that's the update. I am just so tired and it's been a really long week, but tomorrow's Thursday. The guy that I primarily work for is going to be out of office traveling tomorrow, so I think I'm going to work from home, which just sounds amazing. So I'm just wrapping up some work right now and then gonna go, that's not English. And I'm gonna go to bed early because like I said, it's been a long week and I would really like to get a nice, good rest this evening. So not a lot of exciting stuff going on, but that's Vlogmas day 14. Good morning, it is Vlogmas day 15. I got a good night's sleep last night. I'm working from home. I've had a productive morning. It's 12 p.m. and I'm starving. I had a protein shake for breakfast, but that is it. And I need a coffee and some food. So I think I'm gonna treat myself to Starbucks and get, I forget what it's called, the bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant thing that they have, because that is my go-to. It's cold outside though. It's a short walk from my apartment, but we need to grab a jacket. Go big puffy. We're not even trying to be cute at this point. I have a dermatologist appointment today. Very exciting. Oh, this is gonna fall. Really need to get a shoe storage situation figured out because this section of our house drives me crazy. It's good. Matching socks. I don't even care. Just heading to the dermatologist. I'm excited to see what she says about my skin. I feel like it's made so much progress. So I just finished a little bit red and bloody. The pillow's sliding, but just got my Botox done and yeah, can't say enough good things about this place. The doctors are so great and my skin cleared up so quickly once I got on the skincare program that she prescribed. So yeah, just came in to get my Botox touched up and show her how good my skin looks. Anyway, that's the update. All right, so I just got done with my appointment and I'm walking to Target. Do I have blood spots on my face? Yes. Do I care? No. So we're just gonna rock that, go to Target, and then I'll Uber home. But there's a nice big Target right around the corner here. That's a 15-minute walk, it's not right around the corner. But nice big Target here. So I figured I'd go check it out. I'm in search of a Christmas tree. I know it's not necessary because we're going home really soon, but I would have it for future years. So it seems like it could be worthwhile. All right, no luck. back, they had no Christmas trees. They were like basically out of everything Christmas. So I sort of expected that. I mostly just wanted to get a little wander around the store. So no harm, no foul. I'm gonna go grab an Uber now though and go home. Donnie said he's on his way home as well. So I'm gonna get home to him. So I'm just heading home from the office and look, I got a Christmas present from our company. So I'm excited to open that when I get home. All right, we're home now. Our room is like such a mess. I can't even bear to show it to you, but we're gonna open the present because I'm very excited. So most importantly is this gorgeous tote bag that is huge. And for reference, it has our branding on the other side, so I won't show that. And then inside is this like very heavy box. I'm going to unwrap it and then show you what's inside. Look how cute that is. There's so much fun stuff in here. We have hot chocolate, tons of hot chocolate. I guess we were making hot chocolate. Ooh, some tea, cookies, peppermint bark, and a candy cane. What are these? I guess it's like chocolate covered something. Oranges. Ooh, a new soap. These little ornaments are so cute. I wish we had a tree. Oh, like a little charcuterie board. That's cute. Adorable. Little notebook. And what is this, like a dish towel? All right, I have no idea what this is. It's like way too big to be a dishcloth, but like way too small to be a towel, or like, I don't, mystery item. Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 17. I cannot believe how quickly this Vlogmas is going. I am down in Santa Cruz today, so we came down late last night. We're here today and tomorrow, and then Donnie has to be back in the office Monday, Tuesday, so I think we're gonna go back to the city and then officially come down for the holidays on Tuesday evening. But it's nice because our house is a mess. I never finished doing laundry, so there's lots to go back and clean up. We want to go to the Costco in SF because it has the best like chocolates and like gift baskets and things like that. We always give those to like Donnie's extended family during the holidays, so that's something on the list to do this week when we get back to the city. But anyway, all that aside, tomorrow my brother comes down to Santa Cruz and we're gonna go get our tree. My family is, so I'm really excited for that. But today we are gonna go to a coffee shop, do our Christmas ordering for last minute presents, do some work, just like spend a day getting things in order. I might try to edit some Vlogmas because I'm so behind on uploading, but yeah, I'm just packing us up and we're gonna head out. So it turns out Verb doesn't have outlets, so it was a short-lived work session. We were there for like an hour, and then my laptop died, and then my other one was dead. So now we're at Safeway picking up some stuff for dinner. We got some pasta. Donnie got some Wagyu when we were at Costco, so we're gonna go make that for dinner. Not a whole lot else planned for today. I think it's gonna be a mellow night. So good. So it's a bit later, we finished dinner and it was fantastic. Oh my god, Donnie just continues to blow me away with what a good cook he is. Like, he'll just whip stuff up, and obviously these were good ingredients, but like, it was such a good dinner. So he met up with his friend Daniel and they went out and I think played mini golf or something, and I was just here working, relaxing, which was really nice. He just texted and asked if I wanted to come meet up with them. They're at a bar now, so I'm gonna go say hey for a sec, and then I just called around and found that one of the hot tub places in town has an opening at 11 p.m. Donnie wanted to grab some food. I don't know how we can still eat, I'm stuffed, but we might grab a quick snack and then go over to this hot tub place because it's one of our favorite things to do. We don't do it enough, but it's like $50 for an hour for 2 people in a private hot tub, and it's like, especially on a cool day like today, such a nice activity. So that's the plan. I just tossed on a little bit of blush and lipstick in an attempt to look alive, and we're gonna head out. I'm just walking up to the bar. Actually, never been here. Don't know how to get in, but this like Christmas train is about to pass by. I've never seen it.